AI nostalgia videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now, and creators jumping into this niche are pulling insane views on every single post. In this video, I'll show you the exact easiest method to create these yourself completely for free. But first, watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. Now let's get straight into the process. Head to the description below, open the detailed master prompt and copy it from start to finish. Open ChatGPT, paste it in and send it. ChatGPT will ask you to select a country. I'm choosing United States. Next, it will ask for the historical era. I'm picking the 1970s. ChatGPT instantly gives you 10 engaging nostalgia review ideas. Pick your favorite topic number, select your duration, like 10 seconds for one scene, and ChatGPT will generate one base image prompt and sequential video prompts. Copy the prompt. Head straight over to Google Flow. Select video mode, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 vertical and choose OmniFlash as your model. Paste the prompt in and hit generate. Within few seconds, your ready to post video is ready. That's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.